Well, hello everybody. I am Jacqueline, for those of you who do not know me, and I just about knocked down my UPS driver because I wanted to get my shipment before our wine and dine tonight, and we'll talk a little bit about that in a few minutes. But for those of you who have never watched me month in and month out, I hop on here and I talk about this wonderful wine club that I've been a member of for like 4.5 years. All the wine comes from Napa and Sonoma Valley. It is just fabulous. It is a wonderful winery. We get to go every September and just absolutely love it and enjoy it. But you can become a customer if you would like, and you get 4 bottles for 99 bucks a month delivered right to your door, and it's like Christmas. So let's see what I got this month. Let's see here. I typically get, I love this wine so much, I get 2 shipments in a month, just so you know. So I don't know if this is my shipment of all red or a mix of red and white, because when you do become a member, you have your choice. And we have sommeliers that will pick your wines every month and send them right to your door. But you know, the cool thing is also that the wines are just absolutely fabulous. But where was I going with that? Not only we're considered a wine discovery club, if you will. And so the reason we want you to get the different varieties and varietals of wines is because we also do the largest virtual wine and dine party every Wednesday night, where we come together, thousands of us on a Zoom all across the globe. It is so cool. And we have someone that prepares an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert. And we all then we share the recipes, we educate about the wines that we pair with the food, and it's just a lot of fun. It's real different, and you know, times have changed with COVID and everything, and so we just have a blast. So I was so glad that I got this shipment today. So anyway, without further ado, let me see what I got. The wine always comes packaged absolutely phenomenal. It comes in controlled storage, so you never have to worry about the temperature of your wine, which is really cool. And it is, like I say, it is packaged so fabulous so that you never have to worry about breakage. So let's see what I got. I got a Discoveries Pinot Noir, and it's a 2018, and that is going to be a fabulous bottle. I do believe we may be even pairing Pinot Noirs tonight, so I'll get to have one to share. So I got 2 bottles of that, and let's see what else I got in my shipment. Oh, I absolutely love this. This is a Discoveries Grenache, and this is a fabulous bottle of wine, and I do believe I got 2 bottles of those. So I like to kind of set them out so you can see. So yes, I got 2 Grenache and 2 Pinot Noirs, and they are going to be fabulous. And my son is coming home this weekend for Mother's Day, and he was supposed to surprise me, but you know, Joe can't hold water, so he had to tell me. But anyway, we will enjoy all of this weekend. So I hope y'all have a great evening, and I'm definitely going to have one because I'm going to the Wine and Dine. See ya later. Bye for now.